Carved into the mountains of the Philippines 2,000 years ago, the Banaue Rice Terraces rise like emerald stairways to the sky. Here, every stone and blade of rice tells a story of ancestry, resilience, and beauty unlike anywhere else on Earth. A cinematic journey through Banaue's rice terraces, exploring their history, culture, and the breathtaking landscapes of Ifugao. High in the Cordillera Mountains of the Philippines lies a wonder of human hands and patience. The Banaue Rice Terraces, vast green stairways carved into steep slopes, have stood for over 2 millennia, shaped not by machines, but by the rhythm of ancestral labor. Banaue sits in the province of Ifugao, about 350 kilometers north of Manila. Recognized as part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site of the Rice Terraces of the Philippine Cordilleras, this landscape is often called the eighth wonder of the world. It is more than a view. It is a living heritage where farmers still tend the paddies with the same methods passed down through countless generations. The terraces were chiseled by hand and stone tools, fortified by mud walls, and fed by ingenious irrigation channels that catch water from the forests above. Layer upon layer, they rise up the mountainside, mirroring the contours of the earth like a vast amphitheater. Standing here, you sense the fusion of nature and culture, each field a testament to endurance. The best way to first witness them is from the Banaue viewpoint, where the terraces spread like a green tapestry across the valley. But for those who venture further, Batad awaits, a hidden amphitheater of terraces that curve in sweeping arcs, reachable only by trek. Batad is less touched by modernity, and walking its stone stairways feels like stepping into a time long past. Beyond the landscapes lies the culture of the Ifugao people. Their traditional houses, known as bale, stand on wooden stilts with steep thatched roofs, symbols of harmony between shelter and land. Rituals tied to planting and harvest remain vital, accompanied by chants, dances, and the echo of gongs. Hand-woven textiles and intricate wood carvings tell stories of ancestors, spirits, and daily life. Reaching Banaue is a journey in itself, typically an overnight bus from Manila to the town, followed by jeepneys or hikes into the valleys. The dry season, from November to May, offers the clearest views, while June brings planting and September brings the golden harvest. Whatever the month, the terraces change color like a living canvas, emerald, gold, silver with water. As you stand before these mountains carved by hand, you realize that Banaue is more than a destination. It is a reminder that human ingenuity, when guided by respect for the land, can create wonders that endure. To walk the terraces is to walk the footsteps of ancestors. To see them is to carry forward their story.